Ejua bunanzi, ejunyi, bunanzi nani, ejunyi, bunanzi zona, ejunyi, bunanzi zona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Bliga, and welcome to the vlog. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and obviously share this video with your friend. And then if you're a 10 subscriber, thank you so much for keeping up with the content. Yeah, on today's video, I want to talk about the total cost. I want to make a obviously I'm making this video to show you guys the total cost of the foundation of the building a village house project. So on today's video, I'm talking about the total cost of the foundation, obviously the floor slab. Yeah, so I've been getting so many requests maybe from you guys saying, hey, how much is the total cost, how much is the total cost of everything, how much have you spent so far, what is the total cost of the slab, what is the total cost of the wall, or what like those kind of questions. So on today's vlog, I just want to make this explaining. Maybe I'm just gonna do it in chapters. I'm not gonna, because my plan was to do it whenever, maybe for example whenever the house is finished, and obviously drive down the entire total cost. But I seen there's a lot of questions that a lot of requests with regards to what is the total cost. So I'm just gonna do this part by part, or maybe as I'll do it as per the house update. So I'll just start with the foundation now, and obviously the labor, the cost of the material, and obviously whatever expenses that I spend on the foundation. But some of the stuff I might have missed, because there's some small stuff that I didn't jot it down. Like for example, maybe there's some lot of stuff actually which I didn't jot it down. Maybe pay off maybe somebody for the electrical, and then obviously maybe some paying off. So some of those prices I forgot about it, and obviously yeah. But I was just gonna mention the major cost, and obviously gonna also put it on the description down below. So just guys enjoy. Breakdown cost. I'll start with the material which was used for the foundation. It was 4 loads of concrete, 4 loads of river sand, and obviously 1 load of building sand, which is the bore sand, obviously, which was used to build that foundation wall. So yeah, that's yeah. And then the next items will be the steel. I think purchase about 120 steel, which was 60 rand each. As you can see, the price went to 7,200. And obviously there's a wire. The wire, it's just obviously to tie it up those steels, which bought about 5 kg. It was costing about 200 rand. And then also I think the amount of brick force which was used, I think it's about 4 of them on the foundation. But obviously the rest we finished up the wall for the house. But I think each was 45 rand, double brick force. I think that's another item on the list. Was cements, which is the Lafarge cements. About 180 bags, which each was costing about 108, and then the total obviously go to 90,400. But obviously the amount of cement, this was the first bench, but I think I remember adding maybe 10 bags of cement just to finish up the foundation. But yeah, that's all it was in total. The first batch was about 180 bags for the foundation. Another item would be 10 pilot red bricks. This obviously each pilot was about 1,826. That was each pilot per red brick, which was very expensive. And then the other one was just a normal standard stock bricks, which the pilot each was 950. And another item was the filling sand. I bought I think it was about 8 loads of filling sand, which was purchased. I think each load was costing about 400 rand. So yeah, there was a huge discount. Actually, they gave me a 50% discount, because a load of sand it cost about 800 or 800 700. So here they gave me a discount of about 50% discount, and then obviously I had to pay I had to pay 400 per load, which was quite reasonable, especially because there was a lot of sand required for my foundation, because my foundation it's flopping or something. And there was a lot of sand which was required. So yeah, so the total cost went to about maybe 3,200 for the filling sand. And then the next item was the plastic for the slab. So I think we bought about 7 plastics, which is I never thought this could be this expensive, the plastic for the slab. But each was about 750, and the total obviously we bought about 7, and then the total was about 5,250. And then also the mesh wire. I think the total purchase, this was about 16. Yeah, it was about 16, yes. And then each mesh wire, it was around 550, and then obviously the total was 8,800. 8,800. So that was the total cost of the mesh wire. Yeah, which was obviously one of the requirements when you're doing the foundation for the slab, and especially if you will be doing the double story, so you really need a mesh wire to be installed on the foundations. Okay, so when it comes to the labor cost, obviously the contractor charged me to measure and obviously draw the plan on the ground, which was about 3,000, just to do all the. And when it comes to digging the foundation, installing the steels, building the foundation wall, and also the pouring the concrete slab, the charge was the cost was about 34,000 rand. So yeah, the total cost for the foundation labor, it's I think 37,000 rand. But yeah, guys, please let me know. I feel like I've been overcharged on the labor, but yeah, I noticed obviously there was a lot of work, but for me I just feel like I've been overcharged. Just let me know, just comment down below on how much maybe yours did cost. Yeah, so when it comes to delivery and obviously the water, on delivery or maybe of all the required for the foundation, I think I spent about 2.5, but mainly it was the cement which was delivered, the steel which was delivered, and also I think also those plastics which was delivered, the bricks and it was a free delivery. But yeah, that was the total cost for delivery, 2.5. And then the water I think I purchased about a water that worth more than around 3,000 rand or more than that, because there's a lot of money that I spent on water. Just that obviously some of it I was paying cash. The only amount that I managed to calculate is the one that I use for transaction. But yeah, that's basically it. But obviously, here you can see the completed slab. Here it's finished, it's completed, and obviously looking good. And obviously luckily it did rain, obviously, just to make it more stronger. But yeah, let me know, guys, how do you feel? How do you think, maybe which do you think I overspent, especially on the labor? I think I overspent, but let me know if I could have maybe found someone who was more reasonable or maybe less charging in terms of the pricing. But yeah, in terms of the quality of the foundation, 100%, I won't lie to you, the foundation is it's aligned, everything, it's up to it's level, the job is 100%, guys. I won't lie to you, it's perfect. But yeah, let me know, comment down below and tell me what do you think about obviously the total cost. So yeah guys, we have reached to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was for those who were requesting it. I hope it was you managed to get the knowledge that you were looking for, and then obviously some of the questions that you've been asking me, you've been answered. And obviously, and if you, for example, if you're planning to build a house, you just need to make sure that you prepare yourself. You don't just wake up and say I'm building a house without any plan, or obviously without any budget. Because with me, I could get I keep on getting angry every time whenever there's a request for everything, because obviously the money was going out. So yeah, so whenever the foundation was finished, I didn't want anything. I was like, I mean, I'll probably, let me just probably quit this project. I'm spending a lot of money with all the requirement, because I did my research, but obviously there's some new stuff which come unexpected, and maybe the budget, or maybe didn't budget for it, because maybe hoping that the price will be low. Yeah, for example, like something like water delivery, I never thought about something like that. The prices for the steel, I never thought the steel are that expensive. Like for example, the waterproof plastic for the slab, I didn't know that thing that could be that expensive. Yeah, so a lot of them I was not prepared. Yeah, so a lot of stuff I didn't expect it. I didn't expect that it's gonna cost that much. It's gonna So, but yeah, obviously, if you want to start a building project, you just need to make sure that you are prepared, financially prepared, and obviously emotionally and mentally prepared, because this can constrain you. So you just need to make sure that you are prepared financially, you are ready, and obviously don't call people to come and do this house for you, and then you're unable to pay them. So you just need to make sure that you are prepared. You do your homework, you do your price comparison. Just make sure that you are prepared. So because these kind of things, or maybe these kind of projects, are very expensive. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and obviously for those who were requesting this kind of video, I hope you guys are answered, or maybe have a clue on how much could some of the stuff could cost. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Cheers guys.